comparing po doon sa previous administration, bago po nagkaroon ng confidential funds, wala pong ganitong kalaki na wini-withdraw ang Department of Education. Is that correct?
During my time, wala po.
Kaya po nabanggit nyo na unusual.
Yes.
Dito po sa payee naman no ng individual officer as payee, masasabi niyo po ba na usual practice for checks of this nature to be made payable to a designated special disbursing officer who would personally receive the cash? Nagbabago lamang po yung designated officer while the process remain generally the same.
Binabayaran po namin kung sino yung payee po ng cheque.
Which is a usual matter na nagpapalit.
Hindi ko po kung nagpapalit-palit sila. Basta't ang ano po namin is kung sino yung payee ng cheque, yun po ang babayaran namin.
Kaya nga po, at kung magpalit man ng pangalan, kung sino yung nakasulat.
Yes.
Last question, when there is a change in the Department of Education Administration or in its authorized officers, yung land bank po ba require updated authorization, specimen signatures, designated contacts and other verification bago nyo po i-process yung transaction?
Pagka po nagpalit ang mga authorized signatories po ng isang department, ng isang agency, humihingi po kami ng mga specimen signatures and letter na sila po ang mga authorized nating signatories.
At itong requirements nito na-comply bago nyo po ni-release yung
Yes.
Maraming salamat, Madam Witness.
Thank you, Senator Judge Villanueva. Our distinguished Senate President, Senator Gatchalian. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.